I am extremely humbled and honored to have won this award and even been nominated for the Women in Leadership Executive Impact Award. It means so much to me and the work that we've been doing within the organization. So where was I when I learned of the award? I was on a flight en route to see my team in Texas. And it's interesting being in the middle seat, winning an award, and being recognized by many people in our organization. It's extremely exciting to have been nominated and recognized by my peers, simply because there's been a lot of time and energy and long nights, long conversations with others. And really, if I reflect on this isn't really just about me, although it's honoring and very humbling. It's really about the work we've done as an organization. And so I feel honored myself, but this is part of kind of a bigger group and a bigger mission that we have within the company.